Hello, this is Xavier and today I'll be teaching you how to make this fluffy and easy pandan marble cake using your air fryer. So it comes with the usual results of being very fluffy and soft, but the recipe has been adjusted for your air fryer, so that means less baking time as well as a lower temperature. It's also very easy to make and it's a one bowl recipe except the marbling part, which I really enjoy. Because the air fryer uses constant heating, so sometimes it's harder to control the temperature for such cakes. So if you do have like a couple of cracks, it's perfectly alright. So just look along the way, and if there's too much cracking, you can reduce the temperature to 140 degrees and continue baking from there. So if you have any other recipes that you would like to see an air fryer version of, or if you have any questions, feel free to let me know and down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to help and update. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye!